today we're gonna be eating Jersey Mike's, right, Mom?
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, we're gonna be eating Jersey Mike's, and I wanted to know if you guys like my hill. I forgot when I got it done, but yeah. So yeah, so we're gonna show what we have. So my mom has mustard and what are these called?
Jalapenos.
Jalapenos and this
Oil and vinegar.
oil and vinegar sauce. And my mom has blue Doritos, and I have sour cream and onions. And she does good. And yeah.
Okay.
Oh, also, we want to show you our new cups that we got.
Yes. Cheers.
She has. I have strawberry juice. She has
Cranberry.
cranberry.
Or cranberry grape.
Mm.
So I will tell you our sandwiches. This is horseradish mustard.
And yeah.
So we always get the same thing.
And also, we're today. Like sometimes, like when we make a video, my mom.
Open your sandwich.
Not good. Like sometimes, like when
What do you mean you good? This is we're eating.
I forgot. Like sometimes, like when we're doing the video, my mom watches her computer and I watch my iPad. But now she's watching her iPad and I'm watching my iPad as usual. But yeah, oh my God, Carla, I was just watching the show, but now I just got it. I know whatever it is now. Well, yeah, no, I was not watching nothing, so.
So what me and the little girl usually like to get is let me move this so everybody can see this beautiful,
Oh yeah, I forgot.
beautiful.
Hold on, guys. I'll be right back. I gotta get my headphones. I'll be right back.
Look at that. So, when Mia gets her headphones, we have, if y'all can see, I would lift it, but I do not want to drop it. So the camera's there, the floor is here, the table is here, so just bear with me. And we have, like a little newborn baby. Turkey, cheese, tomatoes, onions, lettuce,
Okay, back.
salt,
Sorry.
pepper,
I gotta get my.
rosemary, cheese bread.
Cheese bread.
And I always
Cheese
get oil and vinegar on the side because I don't want to, if I don't finish, I don't want to get my sandwich, so I'll get for the next day or for later.
Okay.
I put my own mustard because I don't know if the places have spicy mustard or they just put that regular mustard. Regular mustard, it's not cool for a cool cut sandwich.
I'm just gonna leave
Then
one headphone out.
Jalapenos. And that's what we have.
Yeah, but I didn't show mine. So let me show mine. Okay. So I need help. Hold this. Take it out. So we got the same, I think, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got the same. And my mom is going to show you what it looks like. Yeah.
Oh, I did already. Oh, you were going.
Oh yeah, it looks like the same as hers though.
The same thing.
Yeah.
Be careful, man, because you don't know what the end of the table is, and you not want to drop it.
So let's just get started eating because I can't wait longer. I hate onions, but yeah, if you guys like onions, I eat onions though, but because I
We
don't.
can't even really see your sandwich. Move back. Get up for a second. Let me move this table.
Okay. Yeah.
Watch your headphones. Watch the headphones. Sorry.
Okay.
I think that's better.
Ah! Move my chair, please. Okay. Sorry about that, guys. Okay, so that's good. Okay, so yeah. Gotta get my sandwich. Okay, so I took the onion out. Onion ring. That's what I call it.
Get your chips ready for.
Oh.
See your sandwich. Put it right here. got a little bag. It's only like probably, it's all air pretty much, but it's okay. So I'm about to dress her up. I like to eat from the middle because if I save the ends, you know, it's a little bit more meat, a little bit more breaded there. So if I gotta eat it the next day, it gets a little soggy. I ain't gonna worry about too much. Yeah, baby. I'm so excited. Me get excited when it's time to eat. I don't even know what I'm gonna watch or if I'm gonna watch anything. I just want to eat right now. That's chaos. Our dog. The mustard is on. How is it, girl?
Very good.
Jalapenos. We washed our hands. Don't worry. You want jalapenos? I thought you was about that life. You ate them when we had the pizza. It's the same thing.
Did I?
Yeah, remember you ate it, you bit into it when you had the pizza, you was like, Mom, it is not that hot. Oh my God. You wanna try one or no? A tiny one?
I'll try one. Yeah, it's not spicy.
Do you want some of your sandwich?
No.
Okay.
Not feeling it. I'm not really feeling it on the sandwich though. I'm just trying to eat.
And oil and vinegar. And I did not get a spoon. But I would improvise. Just pour it on a little bit. A little drizzle, mizzle, dizzle. Ooh. Yeah, already getting her eat on. She ain't playing. And I'm up here doing too much. You need a napkin? Yeah.
No.
Alright, you do. It's right here. Now, first bite. First bite. Mia didn't even give y'all a first bite. She didn't even show y'all not even sandwich.
I did.
She didn't really show y'all. Look at this. Ooh, wee, baby. Come on, I don't even know which side is the better side to show you. But I'm gonna hit you right here with this one. Hope y'all can see. We kind of far because I had to move the table back.
Yeah.
But I'm ready. Y'all ready? I wish you could really have a bite, but it's your camera. Why is it that?
There's flies.
It's not a flies and that.
Yeah,
Still
flies come
annoying.
Yeah, flies come in the summertime. Yeah, they're coming back.
Are you eating over this? No problem, no problem. Yeah.
Spicy?
No. Yes.
How come they're not spicy? How come they're not spicy? They taste sweet. Not sweet. They taste salty to me.
You snoring all up in our mukbang. Please.
Who's in my book?
Chaos is snoring. I said he's snoring all up in our mukbang. Yeah. Did we get it in this one?
Nope.
I don't think we showed this. Oh my goodness.
There's any more jalapenos.
I thought you said you're not about that life.
No, but I want to eat them when I put on my sandwich.
I'm telling you, I should get some more, right?
Yeah. about that, guys. You guys hear snoring? It's cows. You guys don't know who cows is? It's just our dog. That's it. He fake sleeps. Like, when he's snoring, he's still awake though. Yeah, it's like us still awake. Just adoring it. But you guys have to get Jersey Mike's. Jersey Mike's is the best. There you go. Okay, let me tell you guys what I'm watching. So right now I'm watching Troom Troom. If you guys don't know what Troom Troom is, make sure you go watch it. Troom Troom. 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 So make sure you guys go watch that.
Iron, because she don't eat. Sometimes she do, sometimes she don't. Today she ain't feeling it. Ooh, so we wanted to show you, I don't know if you can see in the background these little houses, these miniature houses that we made.
Yeah, you guys can dig them. It's so cool.
Let me show you this one.
This is the first one that we did actually though.
It's a little miniature house that we made.
Yeah, we
It's
made
very fun and interesting.
We also have more that we're gonna make, honestly though. But if you guys want to get these, what are they called on Amazon?
They're just miniature DIY houses.
Yeah, make sure you go on Amazon and pick DIY miniature houses so you guys think it's cool and amazing. And
This
my mom
painting, I
did
just
it.
finished.
Very pretty. I love it.
I just finished this painting, which I'm gonna put on the canvas frame and give that to my mom,
Yep.
my mother, and we have more to do.
Yeah, I'm doing a giraffe one. I didn't get to finish it because I was out. I was with my cousin.
Let me get yours.
Yeah, I didn't finish my giraffe one because I was with my cousins. That's why. My cousin. I have one cousin. That's it. No, I have more than that. But yeah, it was very fun. We actually went to we live in Pennsylvania. Pennsylvania was a very long drive. But then we went to this thing and I went zip lining. Yeah, that's mine.
This is Mia's,
Not
which
done
she's
yet.
doing an awesome job on. She was away this weekend, so she didn't get to work on it much, but
Yeah.
okay.
I told them about it that I went zip lining.
Yeah.
About zip.
That's what we have to work with.
Yeah, it was very fun. I went in the ball pit, like these jump things. I don't know what they're called. But yeah, it's in Pennsylvania. So yeah, I forgot what the game called, but it's very fun. I went zip lining up the sky. It was so cool. But yeah, guys. Guys live in Pennsylvania and you want to go there someday? You can go there.
What was it called?
I don't know what it's called.
Let me see if I can look the place up.
Yeah, but guys, if you guys live in Pennsylvania and you really want to go there, we're gonna tell you the names so then you can go there and have fun. Very huge. It's better than Sky Zone.
Oh, called Urban Air. Urban Air.
If you guys live in Pennsylvania, if you guys live in Pennsylvania and you want to go there, it's called Urban Air. It's very fun. So make sure you guys go there because it's Urban Air. So yeah, guys, hope you guys live in Pennsylvania. You want to drive to Pennsylvania, go to Urban Air. It takes like 1 hour to get to Pennsylvania. I'm not sure. But yeah, it was very fun though. We had so much fun.
Hmm? And you're supposed to go to the pool, but the weather wasn't
Yeah.
so fantastic.
Wasn't so good. But maybe next time. Maybe.
Lettuce, you feeding the carpet?
What?
I was on the floor.
I'm gonna eat another jalapeno because it's not.
She wasn't about that life though.
What life?
When I gave you the jalapeno, you was like, I'm not feeling it. Just now, before I went to get more, it was like, I'm not feeling it. But then
Yeah, no, I'm on a sandwich though. But yeah, I'm gonna eat jalapeno because it's not as spicy.
Mm. So how were you guys this weekend?
Yeah. I was dressed this weekend. I'm thirsty. I'm gonna drink my juice.
Everyone had a good weekend. Hope I got nothing in my mouth while I'm talking.
Gonna be a little ASMR crunch for y'all.
I don't know what I'm gonna be watching, but you know, we don't talk that much when we eat. Just a little bit.
Yeah. So guys, how are you doing in school? Doing real good, guys. I'm doing real good in school. I'm almost in 3rd grade actually though. But I'm not in 3rd grade yet. I'm almost though. Gonna have to learn timetables, I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure. But guys, right. When I learn timetables, someone's gonna help me with that. Cause yeah. I don't know if we're gonna do that in a year. I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I'm doing really good in school. I was supposed to get my report card, but I didn't for some reason. But I don't know. I was supposed to get my report card like 1 year ago, I think, or 2, like on Friday. I don't know. This is a big chip. Oh my god.
You eat my lettuce and I eat your onions.
Yeah. Onions, disgusting. gonna try a chip with lettuce. Chip with lettuce. Tastes like lettuce. So I'm gonna do a bigger piece of lettuce. I have no idea what a lettuce and chip is. A little chocolate chip. Lettuce, chocolate. That's a chocolate. Do you full? Guys, she's full.
Oh.
You. And also I'm gonna put a jalapeno on there. Just add two. Add two jalapenos on there. I'm not playing. And another more lettuce. Top it off with another chip. This is a chip, so. I have no idea what she's looking at, guys.
Oh.
But yeah, it's not spicy. I was just thirsty. That's it. I have no idea what my mom's laughing at. Mom, tell them what you're watching.
I'm watching Key and Peele.
What?
Key and Peele.
Is it a funny show?
Mm-hmm.
And I'm watching children. Jalapeno.
What are you watching?
Huh? What is it?
What are you watching?
I already told them.
Mm.
Watching children. I know that's spicy. She's coughing, so it's spicy.
I'm coughing because I want to, not because it's spicy.
It is.
Because I have to cough. It was something in my throat.
She's lying. I knew. I'm gonna grab the jalapeno.
Hello, dog. You're snoring. All up in the mukbang.
tired. Oh my god, my hair thinking out. But I don't care because I'm gonna have to wipe my hands and my headphones. Excuse me. Excuse me, I burped. I'm so thirsty today. I haven't drank it. I drank water, that's it. Pretty sure I drank water. I think I'm pretty sure I drank something else too.
Excuse me. Man, you on your second piece?
Yeah.
The food's a lot better with the onions and the jalapenos, but I
No,
probably
I'm
still
not
get the
messing up
other.
the video.
It's not something you would
Yeah,
order again, right? Huh?
Yeah, I get the other thing.
The buffalo chicken?
The
buffalo
the
chicken?
cured ham.
Cured ham?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh wait, I forgot my mustard.
Look. This food is so good. Oh my god, that's so gross. Okay. I'm gonna put one more. Well, this one is something. I don't know what that is. This is an olive, right? Oh no, it's a jalapeno. I thought that was an olive. I need to thing. My earphones keep going out.
Pretty sure that's gonna be my last finish fish. I'm gonna be full after this. This looks so good though.
I'm gonna give you guys a
Rolling.
bite. I'm gonna give you guys a bite, a nice bite.
know you was feeding the carpet, girl.
I'm feeding the. I'm feeding the carpet. By accident. Ew. Other stuff.
Hey, girl. Give me that onion, girl.
Yeah. I hate people like her. So I hate onions.
Man, you eat onions sometimes. Let me try it.
Sometimes.
Hey. What are we doing?
I saw that.
What? I was wiping my nose. There's nothing bad about
You
that.
just wipe your nose on camera.
Huh?
You just wash your nose on camera.
I didn't. I bent down.
No, you can wash your wipe your nose.
No, I know, but I just prefer to try to excuse myself.
God, my headphones keep coming out my ear. Look at this tomato. It got sauce on it. The tomatoes is okay. Oh. It's alright. Sorry.
I had to go put the dog away because all that smell.
Okay. We might have to kind of like hurry up on our food because the recording might stop. Yeah.
It should be fine, but if it stops, I'm sure they understand.
Guys, if the recording stops, then very sorry, okay? Very sorry if the recording stops because it doesn't really have enough time. But yeah, guys. So yeah. But if the camera stops, then I'm just gonna do a little bye, guys, you know? But we're not ending the video. So yeah, bye, guys. And yeah, this is for if the video just ends. Yeah, peace. Peace. Okay, now we can get back to eating. Doing a little bye to y'all just in case the video stops. So yeah. Alright. Oh my god. I'm done.
You finished?
Excuse me. Yeah, I'm finished. I'm
You're
done.
full? Oh, you got an onion right there.
Oh, ew. This is my last one. Yeah. Is this your last one? Is this your last one?
Yeah. I'm gonna try to finish my piece though.
I'm done. We're gonna say goodbye to y'all. Bye.
Not yet. I'm not done. Is this your show?
Yeah. Welcome to Mia's show. Oh yeah, guys, don't forget to look at my TikToks. My mom will put it in the link below. Right, Mom?
What?
Put my TikTok in the link below.
Her TikTok is Boxy G-I.
Boxer.
Boxer. G-I. B-O-X-E-R.
No?
G-I. B-O-X-E-R. G-I, right?
Yeah. Boxer
On
G-I.
TikTok.
Yeah, on TikTok. If you guys don't have TikTok, then follow my mom on Twitter, Facebook, Snapchat, and Instagram.
I am Slim40, S-L-Y-M, the number 4, the word 0, on TikTok, as well as Instagram.
But yeah, go follow us. See, she'll put the link below as well. She'll put the name in too. It's alright, she'll put the name in. You guys don't really hear, but she'll put the name in. So, right, Mom? You put the name in.
I hope I remember to do that. Yeah.
Yeah, she'll put the link below, hopefully. Yeah, you can see us. And, yeah. Hopefully she done. Excuse me. Okay, this video my end, so my last words. I hope you guys have a good day. Oh my god, I'm not here from. Okay, whatever. Skip that. I hope you guys have a good day. And yes. Oh yeah, you guys want me to see if you could, I'm gonna also post a TikTok on my. I'm gonna post Roblox, and I also got Robux. So yeah. And yeah. The one who just fell. My tongue is pink still. Yeah.
So you're full?
Oh, I just told you that. I am. Oh gosh, I am unbelievable. And I went to the park last time. And my muscles hurt. Is it my muscles that hurt?
I guess so.
Like my